Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. Today we will discuss about alternative sources of energy for fuel, because now we are using only depend on foreign. So what is the definition of alternative energy? Alternative energy sources are non-traditional sources of energy that are environmentally friendly. Yes, if we will use alternative sources, energy sources, so they are friendly, means we will not be uh, disappointed, because they are good for our health also. That's why. Renewable nature. Unlike fossil fuels, they are renewable and sustainable. Yes, because we will not use fossil fuels, because fossil fuels are very dangerous for our health, and they are not sustainable, and they are expensive also. So my next point is solar power harnesses energy from the sun using solar panels to generate electricity. Yes, if we will use sun energy, so we can generate electricity, and so cost will reduce, and we can use very friendly, and our health, and so many. So my next point is wind energy. Uses wind turbines to generate electricity, especially in windy areas. Yes, if we will use this type of energy, wind energy, so our cost will become very less. Cost will become. So my next point is hydropower generates electricity from water flow, usually through dams. Yes, we can generate electricity. Why dams? So it means these areas, they are very means their water flow is very rapidly. So my next point is biomass energy converts organic materials like plant and animal waste into fuels. Yes, we can make fuels. Why waste and waste plants and animals? Yes, it will be very useful for us, and we can save environment also. So my next point is geothermal energy extracts heat from the earth interior for power generation or direct heating. Yes, we can also generate heat from the earth interiors. Yes, it will be very good for our health, and we will not be ill. So that's good. So my next point is tidal energy. Utilize ocean tides to produce electricity effective in coastal regions. Yes, means these areas is near to sea, so we can generate and we can produce electricity from the ocean regions or coastal regions. So my next point is wave energy captures energy from ocean waves different from tidal energy. Yes, means when wave comes from very rapidly speed, so we can generate. So my next point is nuclear power uses nuclear reactions to generate heat, producing electricity without CO2 emissions. Yes, means if we use, we will generate heat from the nuclear reactions, so we will not have CO2 emissions. We can generate without, we can produce electricity without CO2. So my next point is hydrogen fuel cells converts hydrogen gas into electricity with only water as a byproduct. Yes, means we can produce electricity without water by only hydrogen fuels. So means it, we will not need to of water. So my next point is clean energy. These sources produce less pollution than traditional fossil fuels. Yes, it will be very good for our health also, because pollution will outcome very less than traditional fossil fuels. So my next point is global warming mitigations helps in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Yes, means we can save global warmings, and it will also help in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Yes, so it will be also good for our global. So my next point is reduced fossil fuel dependency. Yes, lessons reliance on oil, coal, and natural gas. Yes, we will not have to depend on fossil fuels, because we are using energy via natural resources. So my next point is job creation derives employment in the renewable energy sector, such as wind and solar jobs. Yes, means it will be also help for our employment, because we can make create jobs, and our youth, it will be benefit for our youth also. So my next point is decentralized power production enables energy production closer to where it's used, especially solar. Yes, because we can make energy from the solar, so it will be very useful, because cost will come very less, and after we can use free. So we will. So my next point is lower operating costs. Renewable systems often have lower long-term costs when installed. Yes, means these are renewable energy sources. Means first cost, and after we will not have. We will give very low cost, so that will be good for us. So my next point is solar panel advancements. New technologies like perovskite cells are making solar more efficient. Yes, means new technologies are coming, and if we will use benefits, we will see in benefit way. So it will be very good for us. So my next point is wind turbine technology. Larger, more efficient turbines can generate more power. Yes, it can generate in a larger level, big level, and we can generate uh, more electricity, more energy. Yes. So my next point is battery storage, so critical for storing energy from intermittent sources like wind and solar. Yes, we can also store energy like wind and solar, so it means we can also storage, so it will be very good for us if we will use. So my next point is energy security reduces dependency on foreign energy sources, so we will not depend on foreign energy sources, because we are generating energy and we are using, and we will not have to depend on foreign energy sources. So my next point is grid stability. Energy storage and renewables can enhance power grid reliability. Yes, because we can generate energy, and we can also storage energy. So we will mean, because we are doing that type of things, and we can enhance power grid reliability. So my next point is carbon credits. Using renewables can earn carbon credits, financially benefiting users. Yes, it will be also benefit for users, because also financially, and also because we will not apply the current anytime, because we are so my next point is environmental benefits causes less harm to ecosystem compared to fossil fuels extractions. Yes, I also told you, because it will give less causes harm to us. So my next point is water conservation. Renewable sources generally use less water than coal and nuclear plants. Yes, means our water will not waste because when we are using coal and nuclear plants for energy, so we are using more water, and it will be used, so water will not waste. So my next point is community solar programs allow people to access solar energy even if they can't install panels. Yes, we can use solar energy if we don't know how to install panels, so we can also use. So my next point is biofuels derived from plant materials like corn waste, ethanol, or algae biodiesels. Yes, we can use waste plant materials, so it will be good for us. So my next point is waste to energy converts waste materials into usable energy, reducing landfill waste. Yes, means we can save our land from wastage, because our land means city, our land will also sustainable and clean. So my next point is methane captures collect methane from landfills for use as fuel. Yes, we can use methane as fuel, so it will be also good for us. So my next point is electric vehicles use alternative energy sources, reducing dependency on gasoline. Yes, if we will use alternative energy sources like electric vehicle, electric cars, and electric scooty, so we will not depend on gasoline. We will not use petrol and diesels. We will use electric vehicles. So my next point is offshore wind farms placed at sea where wind is strong and consistent. Yes, where wind is running very strong and consistently, so we can make produce electricity there. So my next point is incentives and subsidies. Yes, many governments offer incentives for renewable energy adoptions. Yes, government is also helping to us, and government wants we will use renewable energy. So government is also giving benefit and some waiver also. So my next point is climate change initiatives, increasing global emphasis on transitioning to renewables. Yes, because we can also save our climate, and it will be also good for us, and as well as good for our future generations. So my next point is cost competitiveness. Solar and wind are becoming cost competitive with fossil fuels. Yes, it is becoming more cost, but it is only once time cost. After we can use in very low cost. So my next point is distributed generation. Smaller scale power generations like rooftop solar for individual homes or businesses. Yes, we can use anywhere as well as in our homes and our business areas. So it will be good. So my next point is economic growth. Renewable energy sectors boost economic growth through new industries. Yes, it will be good for our as well as individual economic growth as well as our country. So because if we will use renewable energy, so new jobs will come. So my next point is rural development. Wind and solar projects create jobs and infrastructure in rural areas. So our village can be developed, and as well as our youth will get jobs. So my next point is reduced air pollution. Unlike coal, renewables don't emit sulfur dioxide or particulate matters. Yes, means if will use renewable energy, they will not throw sulfur dioxide, and means our air pollution will be reduced, and as well as it will be good for our health. So my next point is global adoption. Countries worldwide are investing in renewables and renewable energy infrastructure. So many countries are investing in worldwide level in renewable energy, because means it will be good for our as well as our environment. So my next point is reduced health risks. Cleaner air and less pollution mean fewer health issues. Yes, it is very good point, because health is everything, and it will also save our health. That is the best point for my perspectives. So my next point is heat pumps. Use renewable energy for heating and cooling building efficiently. Yes, we can use renewable energy for heating and cooling also. So my next point is electric grid transformation. Grids are evolving to integrate more renewables smoothly. Yes, because we can make renewables very smoothly, and after we can use and we can spread in a big level. After we can export, and it will be good for our individual and our economic growth. So my next point is hybrid system. Combine renewables with tradition power for greater reliability. Yes, it is very good if we will see every perspectives. So my next point is sustainable development aligns with global sustainable goals for future generations. Yes, it will be good for our global as well as our future generations, and it will be sustain for a long term. So my next point is peak saving. Solar and wind can reduce peak demand, saving money and reducing strain on grids. Yes, we can also save money, and our demand can be reduced, and our so many cost will be reduced. So my next point is biodiversity preservations, reduce habitat destruction linked to fossil fuel extractions. Yes, we can reduce habitat destruction. It will be also good for our trees, our environment, as well as our animals. They those are living in forest areas. So my next point is resilience to price fluctuations. Renewable energy prices are generally more stable. Yes, they don't increase in very rapidly. Means they are stable for a long time, till long time. So my next point is innovation potential. Constant research is improving renewable efficiently and accessibility. Yes, means our potential can be improved, and we can also improve renewable energy efficiently and accessibility. So my next point is microgrids. Localized grids using renewables improve energy access in remote areas. Yes, we can also use in remote areas, and our so many lot of peoples will be impact from it. They will see it is good. So my next and last point is long term viability. Renewable sources offer sustainable energy solution for future generations. Yes, That is the big point, because it will be also good for our future generations, and our energy will we can store, and it will be sustainable. So if we it will be very good, and it will be sustained for long term. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe of this channel. So thank you so much.